In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find drafts on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to open up Instagram app. Now let's quickly create a draft post. To do that, I'm going to tap right here at this plus that moves us to our camera roll. Then we can select some picture or video, hit next. Then we can add some music here, apply some filter, hit next again. Here we can enter a caption for our picture and hit OK. Now let's say if for some reason we don't wanna share it right now, we can hit right here, then add cross icon, and down below here it gives us an option to save this post as a draft to share it later. To do that, I'm gonna hit right here where it says save draft, and now I'm gonna show you from the beginning how then we can easily find this draft. Basically, guys, all we have to do is just hit right here at this plus, and now we can see this drafts option here. Then we can just stop right there and it will show us all our current drafts in one place. Then we can select one and then hit next, and then we can continue editing that draft. Let's say if we hit add edit, we'll be able to select different filter, apply different music, or remove one from your post, and then in that way, we can go to the step where we can just hit add share to share this post with our followers. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.